ഹൃദയരാഗതന്ത്രിമീട്ടി സ്നേഹഗീതമേകിയും കർമ്മഭൂമി തളിരിടുന്ന വർണ്ണമേകിയും നമ്മിൽ വാഴുമാദിനാദം ഇന്നു വാഴ്ത്തിടാം. ഹൃദയരാഗതന്ത്രിമീട്ടി ഞങ്ങൾ പാടുമീ സ്വരങ്ങൾ കീർത്തനങ്ങളാകണേ. ചൂടുവയ്ക്കുമീ പദങ്ങൾ നൃത്തലോലമാക്കണേ. കുഞ്ഞു വീടിനുൾക്കളങ്ങൾ സ്വർഗമാക്കണേ. അമ്മ നൽകുമുമ്മ പോലും അമൃതമാക്കണേ. പൂർണ്ണമീ ചരാചരങ്ങൾ ഗുരുവരങ്ങളാക്കണേ. ഹൃദയരാഗതന്ത്രിമീട്ടി സ്നേഹഗീതമേകിയും കർമ്മഭൂമി തളിരിടുന്ന വർണ്ണമേകിയും നമ്മിൽ വാഴുമാദിനാദം ഇന്നു വാഴ്ത്തിടാം. ഹൃദയരാഗ തന്ത്രിമീട്ടി.
Thank you, Vaishnavi, for this beautiful pair. Next, I would like to call Alisa Sargent for addressing the gathering. Alisa, please.
On the eve of India's independence, Jawaharlal Nehru, the then Prime Minister, had said in his Tryst with Destiny speech, "At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom." Good afternoon to respected teachers and my dear friends. Today, we have all gathered here to celebrate India's Independence Day. It's a day to remember all those who fought valiantly and sacrificed their lives for the freedom of India from British rule. Today, let us take some time to value our nation and never forget the sacrifices. It's a day to celebrate tricolor with liberty, beauty in diversity, unity in differences, and brotherhood of the largest democracy in the world. On this day, the youth of the India should feel the special pride of being citizens of a free nation. We gratefully remember the great sacrifices of Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, Gandhiji, and other freedom fighters and martyrs whose sacrifices have enabled us to live in an independent nation. This year, the theme of Independence Day celebrations will be Nation First, Always First. From paintings to floral arrangements, from hashtags to social messages, all aspects of the program will bear the Nation First, Always First theme. Freedom in the mind, faith in the words, and pride in our souls. Let's salute the nation on this Independence Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Alisa. On this online Independence Day celebration, this is our happy place. I invite Alina Joychen to welcome us all to this wonderful occasion.
Good afternoon, everyone, honorable teachers, and all my dear friends. It is an absolute honor for me to stand here today and welcome you all to the celebration of our independence. India obtained independence on this day in the year of 1947. After several years of struggle, we paid a heavy price to gain this independence. Our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many more who struggled for decades. It is because of their zeal and dedication, the passion for nationalism did not subside. We should carry this spirit forward and celebrate the nationalism and patriotism that runs through us and whole families. And it values every day. The fight still goes on along the borders where many are fighting, putting their lives on the line for us civilians. We should never take this for granted. It should be our innate responsibility to pay respect by following their footsteps. It is because of such fighters and Jawans we are still breathing in an independent nation. We must always stand up for what is right without causing any harm. This principle was appreciated because through non-violence we can achieve great things, and our father of the nation has exemplified this. So, today we have gathered here to celebrate their courage and brave actions that have led us to this day. This feeling of patriotism for our country binds us as citizens. So, I'm ending my words by once again welcoming you all for the 75th Independence Day celebration. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Well, thank you, Alina, for your welcoming words. Now it's time to say hello to the fun part of this program. Here we have Donna, Gauri, Mahima, Jewel, and Hamna to wrap us in the beauty of music.
ये तेरी जमीन तेरे खून से ही तो सजती सवारती है रांझे, तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे। तेरी मिट्टी मैं मिल जावा गुल बनके, मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे पे तो मैं लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
सनी महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, भीगा न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस मुंह से निकल के कौन कहे।
तेरी मिट्टी में गुल बन के मैं इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरी फसलों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Thank you, Group. You really did great. We really appreciate your effort. Now, the best use of imagination is creativity. Here we have our friend Adityan with his beautiful artworks and drawings. Adityan, please. Thank you, Adityan. You really are fabulous at art, and we wish you the best. Next, let's all boost our brain. Here we have Aravind and Jairaj with a quiz.
A warm good afternoon to one and all present here. Today, I and Jairaj is going to conduct a quiz that is based on our independence. There will be 10 questions in this quiz. Those who knows the answer can say it. We are starting with our first question. Who designed the national flag of India?
Pingali Venkaya.
Yes, sir, you are correct.
The next question is, on the Independence Day, the Prime Minister of India hosts the Indian flag at which place?
Red Fort.
Red Fort. Red Fort.
Red Fort is the correct answer.
And the third question. Who was the freedom fighter, also known as the unofficial ambassador of India?
Is it Dadabhai Navroji?
Yes, sir, you are correct.
The next question is, how much seconds do the duration of the Indian national anthem is?
52. 52 seconds.
Adityan, you are correct.
And the fifth question. Who was called the father of Indian unrest by the British official?
Bala Gangadhar Tilak.
Yes, sir, you are correct again.
What is the theme of the Independence Day celebration this year?
Nation first, always first.
This answer was correct.
Seventh question. During which movement Mahatma Gandhi gave the call for do or die?
Quit India movement.
Quit India movement.
Yes, correct.
Which year did the Quit India movement begin?
Is it 1942?
Yes, it is 1942.
And ninth question. Who is popularly known as Frontier Gandhi?
Abdul
Is
Ghaffar
it
Khan.
Abdul Ghaffar Khan?
Yes, it's correct.
The last and the final question is, the Quit India movement launched in the 1942 is also known as
Can I?
Yes, miss.
Bharat Chodo Andolan.
I write the August movement.
August movement. Okay.
Yes. And thank you to all the thank you and congratulations to all those who tell the answers. Once again, a happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Aravind and Jairaj. It was really fun and challenging. Well, we are all happy with all the student programs going on. Next, we have a beloved and talented sir, Anil sir, here with a poem. Anil sir, please.
Respected President of the meeting, Alina Sajan, my dear teachers and my dear students. Freedom is my birthright, I shall have it. It's very familiar quotes for you. This is said by Balagangadhar Tilak during the freedom struggle of India. These quotes containing the meaning of freedom. He is saying, freedom is my birthright. So nobody violates that. So British, during their administration, violated the freedom of Indians. Indians had no freedom to use public places, and they had no freedom to gather themselves and not to conduct associations or any other programs. So this time he said, freedom is my birthright, I shall have it. So this quotes that resembled throughout India. With these quotes, the people gathered and inspired, and they fought together against the British for the liberation of Bharat Mata. Bharat Mata Ki Jai, that was another slogan that also spread throughout the country. So we can say that some ideas, some principles, some philosophies would inspire every people. There is no doubt. So role of, it is saying that in English you see, I've heard that pen is mightier than sword. So the writings, the thoughts or thinkings, they have a more sharpened than other things. So here we understood that our country that was under the British rule for more than 200 years. So for the liberation of our nation and to create patriotism among the people, there were many roles for many people, not for one person. When we think or hear about freedom struggle of India, in my mind, in our mind, the name of Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru are coming, but their contribution, rather than their contribution, the contribution or big sacrifice of great leaders were there. They were not as well as known. And there were many methods to fight against the British this time. Some people selected the methods that was based on violence. Other people, they selected the non-violence methods. Anyway, with this hard effort of our freedom fighters, we liberated from the British control or British capture rule. We don't know what is the importance of freedom because we are born and brought up after the independence. So when we realize the importance of freedom or sweetness of freedom, when the time there is if a chance to lose it. When the freedom is lost, then we can understand its importance. That is very important. Dear students, the role of women, that was also very big. Many great warriors, many courageous ladies from India, they are also shouldered with men in India for fighting against the British. So you have heard about Begum Hasrat Mahal and Aruna Asaf Ali, Rani Lakshmi Bhai, etc. There were great leaders. There were very few, not very few, many unknown leaders, unknown women. They sacrificed lot for our country's liberation. The role was very big. My dear students, you make a research about the role of people from different walk of life to the freedom struggle of our country. So this occasion, I give a message that, dear students, to love our country and to inculcate patriotic spirit and fight against other splitting forces. And we are Indians. Jai Hind. Thank you. By hearing my words, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for inspiring and wonderful words. Next, we have our talented friend Sarah to take our musical souls through the strings of violin. Thank you, Sarah. You really are talented and we wish you the best. Next, gratitude paints little smiley faces on everything it touches. Here we have our friend Mahima Tom to deliver the word of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. On this auspicious occasion of 75th Independence Day of our nation, I would like to extend my warm greetings to one and all present here. Today, we have experienced a mesmerizing performance from the great class 10, and I can totally say that from the very first moment to this last moment, I enjoyed every bit of this meeting. Now, I'm moving to the duty that is assigned to me to express the gratitude towards the success of this program. First of all, I would like to thank our Reverend Father Matthew Mundakal, who has always been a guiding personality for providing us this opportunity. Thank you, Father. Our teachers are our mentors who has always been with us, and especially during this pandemic situation. Today, they have joined with us and provided all the support for the success of this program. Thank you, teachers. Thank you so much for your support and your guidance. At this moment, I would also like to thank our dearest Anil sir for the valuable words. Thank you, Anil sir. Now, I honestly thank all the participants for making this day a memorable one. Thank you, guys. Last but not the least, I would like to thank every student who joined this meeting. It is because of your cooperation and your encouragement, this program became a grand success. So now I'm concluding my words, and once again, I thank everyone and Lord Almighty for the blessings that He has showered on us. Thank you.
Thank you, Mahima. And last, as a proud Indian, we always feel our heart beating out of chest hearing our national anthem. Here we have Donna and Sarah Moll for singing our national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलति तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गादा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय 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 हे.
Thank you, Donna and Sarah. Dear friends, our today's program has come to an end. I'm really very happy that everyone cooperated well, even during this tough situation. Thank you, and this is Sami signing off. Jai Hind.